demo of SenseTravel. My name is Surya and I have Anil and John with me. John is our rental car guy who is going to help us understand how SenseTravel works and how we have innovated the car rental experience. So let's go. Let's look at in basic what it is basically. So basically we have an parking lot which has parking lot A and B, and users can move into parking lot and they can stand next to any of the car that they like and they can check out right from there, and they will also get an email confirmation on their email without walking into the office. So this is how it is, but let's see in detail how it works. So we have a parking lot. As we saw, we have two sections, A and B. We have entry and exit gates. Each of the entry exit gate and parking lot A and B is installed with Raspberry Pi, which runs Node.js application. Raspberry Pi at section A, B and entry are running in mode. Raspberry Pi at exit is running in out mode. So basically that tells us when the car entered and where it is, whether it is in parking lot, whether it's a move out. Each of these cars also has iBeacon installed in it, which is basically identifier for that particular car, which helps app to identify which car it is and also help user to check out right from there. Now basically all these things help. Let's see how what happens when the car enters. So when car enters, it sends a data to M2X. When car moves to any of the parking lot, let's say B, it again sends data to M2X. When car exits, again it sends data to M2X. And also all of these data is collected through the to the Bluemix application, which is running as a master application on Bluemix infrastructure. And also when user checks out any of the car, again it sends data to Bluemix. And also we send push notifications to mobile applications and web application using Socket IO. Let's see some of the benefits. With the SenseTravel, we can actually know where the car is in parking lot, how much of time the car was rented, some analytics. And also for customer, the benefit is they can walk around and they can choose any car they want, and also they will get an email confirmation. These are some of the real screenshots. Here is the gimbal beacon on the car. Now let's see the real demo where car is actually moving to parking lot A, which is nothing but our Raspberry Pi 1. And we'll see the real-time update on dashboard also, that is updated through the push notifications. So here the dashboard got updated, which says Pi 1, a car arrived at parking lot Pi 1. Now let's move to the uh, B section of parking lot, which is nothing but our Raspberry Pi 2. Now our dashboard should say a car arrived in parking lot Pi 2. Basically we can see that. Now let's move from Pi 2 to exit gate. As soon as we move to the exit gate, it should say car left parking lot, and we should see that update in a moment on the screen through the push notifications. Here is the screen which says car left parking lot. So this is the real-time screens of app and the email confirmation that we have. So altogether it's an experience end to end for like renting car without any manual intervention.